How to create a silver metallic smoky eye. Starting with sandcastle, blend into the crease and along the outer edge of your eye. Adding evening haze, a black sparkle shimmer along the outer eye and into the crease below the brown sandcastle. Blend well. Add Stik It Glue to the lid. Press metallic silver onto the lid, adhering it to the Stik It Glue. Blend well into the crease and along the outer edge of the eye, creating a dramatic wing smoky look. You can add extra metallic silver under the brow for a more exaggerated silver look. This look is amazing for cheer or dance competition.